Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 21st May 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you souls have love for the one Father. The Father has taught you to have love for souls and not bodies. Question. While you are making which effort does Maya create obstacles? What is the way to become a conqueror of Maya? Answer. You make effort to remember the Father so that your sins can be burnt away. Therefore, it is in you having this remembrance that Maya creates obstacles. The Father, the Master, shows you ways to become conquerors of Maya. Remember the Master with that recognition and you will remain happy and you will continue to make effort and do a lot of service and you will then become conquerors of Maya. Song is, take us away from this world of sin to a place of rest and comfort. Essence for Dharana. First, claim the kingdom by following Srimat. Give a handful of rice and claim a palace for 21 births. Accumulate an income for the future. Second, while living at home with your family, finish all your attachment to this old world and become completely pure. While doing everything, keep your intellect focused on the Father. Blessing for today. May you be a world benefactor and enable others to move forward with the good wishes for them in your mind. Details are: if someone is doing something wrong, consider that one to be under an influence and give him the drishti of mercy to transform him. Do not discuss it. If someone comes to a standstill in front of a rock, your duty is to go beyond it and enable that one to go across too as your companion. For this, look at each one's speciality and continue to ignore their weaknesses. Now is not the time to caution anyone with words, but to move forward and enable others to move forward by cooperating with them with the good wishes for them in your mind, for only then will you be said to be a world benefactor. Slogan is, tighten your belt of determination and you will not get upset on your seat. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Imbibe the personality of spiritual royalty and purity. The sun of revelation will rise when the flame of purity is ignited everywhere. Just as they go around everywhere with that flame, in the same way, let the flame of purity sparkle everywhere, so that everyone will see the Father and recognize Him. The more stable the flame of purity is, the more easily everyone will recognize the Father, and there will then be cries of victory for purity.